How to fix lock cannot be edited error in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. I have opened this design. Now, as you can see, if I click it, I'm not able to move the text or any design. So, what I can do is, at the top of the page, you'll find a lock. Simply click on the lock button, which is unlock page. Click on it. After you do that, you will be able to move your designs wherever you want. So what that was after you edit, you can lock this so that you won't mess up your design. So if you lock, you won't be able to move. That's why you will need to unlock by pressing on the lock button at the top right, and you're good to go. This is how to fix lock cannot be edited error in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic?